Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all some cool gestures and motions that are available on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll a bit down and go into additional settings, gesture shortcuts. And you have gestures like you can launch Google Assistant after pressing and holding power button. You can take a screenshot if you will slide 3 fingers down, or if you hold volume, press and hold volume down button and power button. So yeah, you can enable both of them. Now you can also take a partial screenshot if you press and hold 3 fingers on your screen. Now you can select the area that you would like to take a screenshot of. Right. You can also enable launching camera with pressing the power button. And also you can enable turning on flashlight after double pressing the power button. So that's going to be all. If it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.